In this video, I will show you 10 different solutions to fix AirPods Pro microphone not working on iPhone. So, let's see what to do. The first solution is to turn off and on Bluetooth and connect your AirPods to your device. For that, you have to put your AirPods in the charging case and open the lid, then go to the settings and click on the Bluetooth section. Now, turn off and on the Bluetooth toggle and tap on your AirPods name to connect with your iPhone. Otherwise, forget your AirPods from other devices under the Bluetooth settings. Then try to pair it with your iPhone to stay connected. Still, your AirPods microphone is not working. Try out the next solution. The second and most helpful solution is to check for the microphone setting. We need to confirm whether the microphone is set as automatic or not. For that, go to the settings, click on Bluetooth, and tap the I button on the right side of your AirPods name. Now scroll down the screen and tap on the microphone section. You will see three options displayed on the screen. Select the microphone as automatic to switch AirPods. When you do this, the active AirPod microphone can automatically change from left to right, or be fixed to one side. If you share your AirPod with another person during the call, you have to adjust the microphone for the AirPods you have either left or right. In addition, when you reset your AirPods for the next time, the settings will be changed automatically. This solution worked for me. I hope your problem also gets fixed with this solution. If the problem remains, follow the third solution to check the charging status. Make sure your AirPods and charging box has enough power to work. If the battery status of your AirPods is lower than 20%, connection issues may occur. So, you need to plug the charging case into the direct wall plug for at least 30 minutes. And you can try to pair your AirPods again. The fourth solution is to check for the software update and firmware version. First, I will check for the latest software update on my iPhone. Go to the settings and click on the General section. Then tap on Software Update. If your device is not up to date, then click the Download and Install button and wait for a few moments. Or if your device is up to date, then skip this step. Now, I will check my AirPods firmware version. Open the Settings app, click the Bluetooth section, tap the I button next to your connected AirPods name, and scroll down to the About section. Now, click on the version to check if the latest firmware version is available. If there is an old firmware version, keep pairing your AirPods to your iPhone to install the new firmware update automatically. The fifth solution is to turn off automatic ear detection. When automatic ear detection is active, your AirPods automatically stop playing audio when you take them off and resume playback when you put them back on. So we need to turn it off. Go to the settings and click on Bluetooth. Now, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Then click on the I button next to your connected AirPods name, and you can see the option for automatic ear detection. Turn it off. By doing this, all audio plays to your AirPods whether you have worn them. If the problem persists, follow the sixth solution to check your AirPods selected as audio devices. When you play a song, tap on the AirPlay icon and select your AirPods from the list of devices. On the other hand, when you receive a phone call and want to select an audio device, tap on the speaker to choose your AirPods. That's it. The seventh solution is to clean your AirPods. When you use AirPods constantly throughout the day, the microphone holes get dirty with wax, lint, and dirt. It may cause problems with the AirPods microphone. So, try cleaning them. Here I will show you the best way to clean AirPods and their charging cases. Clean up the metal at the stem of both the left and right sides of your AirPods with a soft and dry cloth. Then use a cotton swab to clean the mesh on the charging case connector and the microphone of AirPods. That's what I use to remove earwax on the AirPods. You can also use wooden or plastic toothpicks to clean the grill of your AirPods. Then use a lint-free cloth to move out the clogged dirt. And remove all debris from the lightning connector with a clean, dry, and soft bristled brush. They usually aren't tough enough to damage anything. Now, follow the eighth solution called Reset AirPods. To reset your AirPods, place your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then, wait for 30 seconds. After that, open the lid and put your AirPods out. Now, open the Settings app, tap on the Bluetooth option, then tap on the I button next to your AirPods name. Now, click on Forget this device option. You will see a pop-up message that says if you forget the device, it will remove your AirPods from all devices on your iCloud account. To confirm your action, tap on the Forget Device option. Place your AirPods in the charging case and keep the lid open. And make sure that your AirPods are located near your iPhone. Press and hold the setup button from the back of the charging case for about 10 to 15 seconds until the status light in front of the case flashes amber and then white. After that, your device will show an option to connect your AirPods. Tap on the Connect button. That's it. Still, the problem remains, following the ninth solution called Restart iPhone. It will help to fix the internal issues by restarting your device. It is easy to reboot your device with some simple gestures. For iPhone 8 or later, press and hold the volume up and down and press the side button until it shuts the power off and reboots your iPhone. Now you can unlock your device and try to connect with your AirPods. If none of the above solutions work, the 10th solution is to go through Apple support. For that, first, you have to check the Apple warranty status for your AirPods. Go to the website displayed on the screen. The website link is given in the video description. Now, enter the serial number of your AirPods. You can find the serial number on the underside of the lid of your charging case. Then type the CAPTCHA code the same as given. And click on the Submit button. Within a moment, the website will show your AirPods warranty status. Here, your Apple warranty status is expired, so you can get the best help by visiting Apple authorized service providers or contacting Apple support for repair and services. To visit the Apple Authorized Service Center, first, book an Apple Genius Bar appointment. Click on the iCard to know more about how to book a Genius Bar appointment. Or you can go through the Get an Estimate service and replace your AirPods via an affordable replacement cost. Scroll down the website on the screen and select the service type, product name AirPods, and AirPods model, and then click on the Get Estimate button. It will review potential costs. If extra damage is found in any part of your AirPods, you can get an estimated service by paying a service fee. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to catch up and see more tips and tricks videos for macOS.